all we know. Rhythm of friendship in every note. The music of the soul. The station that makes you home. Mellow, best friend mode. Mellow, best friend mode.
Turn your afternoon into a front row seat. Mellow 947 BFM brings you Mellow Live, your mini concert on the radio.
Sayang naman ang pinagsamahan.
Kalimutan ang pangarap ko kay makasama sa hapong panahon.
Di ko alam saan ka nang gagaling.
From today's most sought-after artists to rising new voices, live in the Mellow Studio.
Let's write our future and learn from the past.
So what's it worth it?
Yun ako ay lalayo.
Join us as we share conversations with your favorite musicians, hear their songs, and the stories in between. Mellow Live, hosted by Anne, Thursdays at 3 p.m. on Mellow 947 BFM.
Teka na muna, tayo ba'y naglalaro? Nahulog na ba sa taong di sigurado? O sinong tangang lapit sa iyo?
Mellow 947 VFM 308 on the clock. Welcome to the show. This is called Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and this afternoon we are joined by someone whose music has become the soundtrack to your TikTok reels, to your late night thoughts, your quiet confessions, your torpe moments.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, live in the Mellow studio, we got Jao.
Hi everyone. Hi Miss Anne. Woo.
Good to see you again. My goodness, it's been, 6 months actually.
I think
The,
so.
the last time that we saw each other,
Yeah.
6 months, di ba? Nagkaroon lang tayo ng, what do you call this, konting technical difficulty during the start of the show. Hindi masyadong narinig yung, I think the first part of the song, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, pero don't worry, we're fixing that now. So your next couple of performances, next couple of songs, okay na siya.
Yes.
Okay, so the last time we saw each other, when you guested on Beautiful Day, that was
Yes.
November 2025.
Oh yeah,
last year,
November,
diba?
November.
Yeah,
Iniisip ko
November.
kung anong month eh.
So tell me, what have you been up to these past 6 months since the guesting?
Since last time, sobrang daming shows.
Sobrang daming shows.
Na hindi ko in-expect na, wow, mga ma-reach ko pala tong point na to na parang ang daming manonood sa akin, ganyan-ganyan. And also, yun nga, sobrang daming milestones din. Yun nga, since the last time we saw each other, nakapasok na ako sa charts ng Philippines, sa songs. So, pretty crazy.
Congratulations, man.
A lot of milestones talaga sa
Okay, okay.
mga nangyari the past few months. So, yeah.
You know what, on the show, we were talking about that viral Ed Sheeran video
Yeah.
where he duetted your song, di ba? And on the show, we actually manifested na sa susunod na pagpunta ni Ed Sheeran dito, kailangan
kami.
meron na kayong collaboration, di ba? Yeah, pero kasi busy si Ed Sheeran with his loop tour
Yeah.
sa Latin America. So, you had collaborations with, not Ed Sheeran, with other artists. You had with Aaron
Rebustes.
right?
Yes.
Who also guested on Beautiful Day.
Oh!
Yes.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun.
Oh, diba? Kamusta?
Super fun nung collab. Actually, first collab ko yon na song. And fun, okay din pala na makipag-collab with other artists. Hindi lang talaga parang, songs ko sa labas ko. Okay din pala yung mag-co-write ako sa isang song.
Okay.
Parang ang fun kasi parang na-explore ko na parang, ang cool ng utak mo Parang ganun. Parang ganun, yeah.
But are you friends? I mean,
Yeah.
okay.
Off-cam, friends talaga kami.
Okay,
So, yeah.
okay.
Pero we met po dahil din sa music.
So now that you've discovered na ang sarap para makipag-collaborate, do you have any collaborations in the pipeline? Future collaborations?
Sana. So far wala.
Hintayin
Wala pa.
natin si Ed Sheeran.
Yeah. Gusto ko ang next artist ko Ed Sheeran agad.
Ed Sheeran, iba ka. I-manifest pa rin natin, diba?
Yeah.
I mean, hello, the universe might bring that to
Yes.
you. You know what, Jao, your songs talaga, ginagamit ng mga tao on TikTok as their background music to their personal reels and everything kasi the songs feel so personal, diba?
Yes.
Alam mo, hindi na nga tayo nag-introduction. I was supposed to do okay, intro, who is Jao? But your fans are already, tuned in. The moment that I posted nga that you were gonna be guesting on the show, your fans were already commenting, oh my gosh, Jao is gonna be there. So everybody knows you already. But your songs, everybody knows your songs as well. They feel very personal. Parang it's like reading the thoughts of other people. Diba? Parang nakaka-relate talaga sila. Was music your way of expressing things that you couldn't say directly?
Actually, hindi talaga ako expressive na tao na parang
Talaga?
kaya ko siyang sabihin na, kunyari tayo nag-usap tayo, hindi ko siya kayang sabihin na, I have this feelings for you. Hindi ko siya kayang sabihin. Nagsimula siya dati ng bata ko, 8 years old ako, through poems. Tula talaga siya.
Okay.
Then, as I grew up, yun na-turn ko na siya into songs. So, parang napansin ko, parang it's much easier to doon yung gawin kong avenue para ilabas yung feelings ko, yung nararamdaman ko. And also, para umamin sa isang tao, ganun. Sa songs na lang. So, yeah. Talagang siguro forever torpe talaga.
So when you write your songs, anong nauuna? The words talaga before the melody?
It depends. It
Okay.
depends actually. Meron yung times na lyrics muna yung lumalabas. Or minsan isang phrase siyang ganyan, tas dudugtungan ko na siya. Or minsan melody na naisip ko lang. Actually, meron akong yung song na pinlay ko kanina, yung melody ng chorus nun, di siya super unusual ng pinanggalingan. Nanggaling siya sa panaginip ko.
Sa panaginip.
Yeah. Parang I
Okay.
heard it somewhere sa panaginip ko. Then I woke up bigla. Nagising ako. Nirecord ko agad. Hinam ko agad sa phone ko na yun yung melody niya. Tapos yun, nagawa ko na siyang song.
Oh my
Which is pretty
gosh,
cool.
that is amazing. Sino kayang kumausap sa'yo in your panaginip?
Si Lord.
Oo.
Si Lord siguro.
All that inspiration coming from God. Now, your first song kanina, the one that you opened the show with, it's called
Señales.
Señales, right? And it's part of your debut EP.
Yes.
Correct? That was released last year. Ilang streams na ba? Ilang millions of streams na ba on Spotify? My
Almost
goodness.
2 million na yata
2
siya.
million streams. That is amazing. My
Thank you.
goodness. And it's all about mixed signals.
Signals.
Diba? I mean, kung yung Ace of Base may I Saw the Sign, yung kanta mo, you saw so many signs.
Yes.
Diba? So naguluhan ka na. What is the story behind Señales? And when you were writing this, what was the sign that you were looking at?
Actually, yung buong EP na to, iisang story lang siya. Pinanggalingan lang siya ng isang story. And
Okay.
galing din siya sa inspiration ng isang tao lang. Nung tao na gusto ko nung 2023.
Okay.
So, kasi 'di ba sabi nga nila kapag ka nagmamahal tayo, willing tayo magpakatanga.
Wow, daming natamaan doon ah.
Oo.
Ouch!
Parang kahit napansin ko na yung sobrang daming red flags nung person na to, parang wala trip kita, sige, dyan ako sa'yo, mahalin kita, ganyan, gugustuhin kita, mahal kita parang ganun. So, yeah, yun yung basically like whole thought nung Señales. And also, almost buong EP, parang ganun siya. Nagdudwell siya sa buong mixed emotions na topic, so yeah.
Okay, we'll talk more about your songs and we'll be hearing more from Jao in a bit. We just need to take a break. 3:15 on the clock. Again, the show is Mellow Live with Jao in the house. We're taking a breather. Please stay with us. This is Mellow 947 BFM.
Radio? No problem. Listen online. Mellow947.com.
Tayo na sa Emloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Dito na sa Emloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
M. Luwilier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Airport na kami. Saan ka na? 10 a.m. na.
Ha? Di ba mamayang gabi pa flight natin?
Ay, malabo.
Tingin ko sa ticket, PM pa flight natin eh.
Para malinaw.
Have your eyes checked for state-of-the-art facilities, expert eye care, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical. EO, love your eyes.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO
Sessions with Ryan Yamswan.
Maraming salamat sa pagbibigay ng tiwala sa akin.
Mellow 947 BFM elevates your listening experience with music you love and information you trust. We bring you news and conversations that matter. Everything you need to power through your day. At 7 a.m., Metro Morning with Willard Cheng. At 8 a.m., Memo with Karina Sanchez Rojas. And at 2 p.m., Shift Happens with Paulo Del Rosario. From headlines to insight to real-world impact. Catch our shows daily from the Billionario News Channel studio straight to your radio. Mellow 947 BFM delivers what matters on air and online at mellow947.com. It's talk radio like no other on Mellow 947 BFM. Best friend mo. This song is brought to you by M. Luwilier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
I had no choice but to hear you. You stayed in your case time and again, and I thought about it it's not lip service. You've already won me over. In spite of me, you don't belong to fight for. Head over feet, don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it, it's all your fault. You are the bearer of unconditional things, and you held your breath and the door for me, and thanks for your patience. You're the best listener that I've ever met. You're my best friend manifest. And what took me so long, and I've never felt this healthy before, and I've never wanted something rational, and I am aware now. I like to think I am. I am aware now. You've already won me over. In spite of me, you don't belong to fight for. Head over feet, don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it, it's all your fault. La la la, ya ha ha, ya ha ha, ya ha. Ya ha, la la la, ya ha ha, ya ha ha, ya ha ha.
That song was brought to you by M. Luwilier, Tulay ng Pamilyang Pilipino. We go where you go. Mellow947.com, now streaming.
Noon ay pinababayaan ko lang nang masaktan ng tuluyan habang nakatitig sa malayo. Ngayon alam ng aking halaga, di mabubuong kwentong kasama ka, di napipilit, di nasisingit. Hayaan story mawala, hayaang kapanatay sarang di na ikaw ang mundo, pinaikot-ikot mo ko, di na makikinig sa'yo. Tahimik ang aking mundo, kaya sa susunod na bahay na sarili pipiliin sa tuwin na palang araw, araw-araw ka ba natin isara? Sadya bang pananakit lang ng ulan? Lintik niyan ginawa mo sa'kin, parang wala lang ako. Ako'y wala sa'yo. Ang story mawala, ang tititikod mo ko, di na makikinig sa'yo. Tahimik ang aking mundo, kaya sa susunod na pahin ng sarili pipiliin sa tuwina. Walang araw, araw-araw ka ba natin isara? Di na ikaw ang mundo, pinaikot-ikot mo ko, di na makikinig sa'yo. Tahimik ang aking mundo, kaya sa susunod na pahin ng sarili pipiliin sa tuwina. Palang araw, araw-araw ka ba natin isara?
Mellow 947 BFM, Jao in the house for Mellow Live. Woo!
Yeah.
And that song is called Kabanata. You know, that kind of feels like one of the most more emotionally mature songs in your catalog. Kasi it talks about, you know, finally closing a chapter
Yes.
in your life. You're choosing yourself this time. Kasi hindi na siya yung mundo mo kasi pinaikot-ikot ka
Yeah.
lang, right? What chapter were you in when you were writing this song?
Actually, nung nasulat ko yung
Was this your
Kabanata,
chapter or someone else's chapter?
chapter ko.
Big reveal.
Pero ano, parang isang 1 to 2 years na yung nakalipas since nung nasulat ko siya. Yung event na to, tapos wait, hindi ko siya basta yung pag-close ng chapter, pag-close ng chapter tapos yung time na nasulat ko is parang 1 to 2 years na yung gap. So parang medyo matagal siya.
There was a parang hindi naka-on yung mic ko. Hello, mic check. Hello, ayan,
Yeah.
there you go. So there was a gap, there was an interval between the event that happened, yung chapter na yon,
Yes.
and yung pagsulat mo.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
pero were the emotions still fresh when you were writing down those words?
Alam mo, Miss Ann,
Yes.
umiyak ako sa studio nito.
Oh, talaga?
Ito lang yung
Okay.
tanging song ko na iniyakan ko sa studio na nagre-record. Di lang kasi siya nakuha ng clip kasi dal yung Pero yun, first time kong umiyak sa song na
Okay.
to. Usually kasi kapag magsusulat akong kata is nakaiyak na agad ako. Tapos sulat, record. Pero itong song na to, mismong recording, umiyak ako habang kumakanta,
Oh
which
my
is pretty
gosh.
crazy.
Partida, dumaan na yung
Yeah.
2 years before you started, putting the emotions, the memories into words, and
Yeah.
then forming a song out of it. When you sing it,
Dati sa mga live performances, yes, medyo parang nanginginig yung boses ko sa
Okay.
dulo na part. Pero
ngayon parang kalmado na.
okay na.
Okay
Okay na
na.
eh.
Okay.
Parang di ko na siya miss, ganun.
You know, Jao, looking at all the songs you've released, karamihan nun talaga, almost all, di ba?
Mhm.
They tell a story either ng falling in love, nagmamahal, or nasaktan, moving on, closing a chapter. Which one best describes Jao?
Siguro hindi ako makakapili ng isa talaga. Kasi
Okay.
yung mga nilalabas ko na mga kanta is buhay ko. Story ko siya. And parang ang goal ko talaga is parang, sana maraming makarelate sa akin na tao. Parang ma-feel ko na hindi lang ako, hindi ako nag-iisa, parang gano'n.
But currently, what is your emotional support song now?
Ano ba? Siguro yung pinakamalaking song. Kasi parang, emotional support na parang, a lot of people love my stuff. Parang ganun siya.
Yeah.
Ganun yung dating sa
And
akin.
they really do, ha? I mean, ginagamit nga nilang soundtrack ng sarili nilang love life, di ba? So, again, looking at your songs, ano ang pinaka-favorite mong kantahin?
pinaka-favorite kong kantahin siguro ay yung Ikaw Lang Po. Which is kakantahin ko siya mamaya.
Yes, I know. We talked about
Yeah,
that on the
actually,
show, diba? You
yes.
performed this
Yes.
when you guested on Beautiful Day. We'll talk about that
Okay.
in a bit. Kasi may mga questions pa ako about the next song. Kasi we won't be able to talk about the next song because we're gonna take a break after that. It's called Maghintay.
Yes.
And it's all about waiting.
Waiting.
Waiting for love.
Actually, hindi din siya actually pang waiting. Parang ano siya, atat. Para sa mga taong atat. Kasi parang it talks about, bakit ba kailangan maghintay? Alam mo naman gusto kita, alam kong gusto mo ako. Bakit di pa maghintay? Ano pa yung waiting period na yan? Parang
Alam mo,
ganun.
parang feeling ko kasi the modern dating scene right now, napaka-fast-paced niya.
Actually, yeah.
Diba? Parang people want agad answers. People
Yeah.
want validation. People want a reply. Diba? Pag nag-text ka, madelay lang namang ilang minutes, nag-overthink ka na eh. Kung
Yeah.
ano nang, diba, ay, hindi na niya ako mahal.
Yeah. Me. Me.
Yun ba
Hindi ko
yung emotional
Hindi ko
support
madedeny.
song? But do people still wait for love now, do you think? Or has this generation, especially the young ones, have they become too emotionally impatient?
Siguro 50-50. Meron pa rin yung mga taong nami-meet ko na parang hindi naman sa ano, pero old school pa eh. Parang nando pa rin sa old school. Meron din naman ako mga nakikilalang tao, actually majority. Actually hindi siya 50-50 pala. Parang 70-30 na pala ganun. 70%
Okay.
atat, 30% old school na may hintayan talaga.
May hintayan.
Slow burn
Okay.
kumbaga.
Grabe no, 30% na lang siya,
Yeah,
no?
parang ganun.
Yeah.
Kasi karamihan ng nakausap ko, mabilis talaga eh.
Yeah.
Parang wala na akong na-meet na friends. Sa friends ko, yung mga kinakwento nilang relationships, yun, nasa mabagal na period sila, may ligawan pa na period. Parang sa akin, hindi ko na siya na-experience recently. And parang, yun.
How about you?
Recently,
Are you patient or are you impatient?
hindi ko na siya masagot, Miss Anne. Kasi,
Hindi mo na masagot. Okay.
magdadalawang taon na akong walang parang ako lang. Wala akong taong nagugustuhan recently.
Okay.
Ganun.
Baka naman kasi you're so busy. You're busy writing songs.
I think so.
Diba?
I think so.
Yeah.
Parang last year kasi puro gigs din kami, guestings and stuff. So parang wala akong time talaga na mag-entertain ng tao. So parang, yeah.
Oh, and you know what? Live tayo sa Facebook and sa TikTok. So, malay mo, she's somewhere out there. Diba?
Wag na.
Watching. Ay, wag na.
Wag na.
Na-reject agad.
Wag na. Wala akong time. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, wala akong time.
Ang tindi. Okay, but anyway, we are live on Facebook and on TikTok. So if you guys want to see Jao perform, all you have to do is to follow us at 947 Mellow. And we got another track from Jao again right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM.
Nakakalito ang damdamin mo. Minsan ay gusto, madalas na ayaw mo. Pwede namang ipagpaiba yung ginagawa mo mamaya. Ako ang harapin ikaw ay aking sisisirin. Sinta basta't pagbibigyan mo lang ako, pagbibigyan mo lang ako. Bakit ba kailangan pang maghintay? Sasayangin lang ang oras, baka sumablay. Kung pipiliin, ba't kailangan pang maghintay? Bakit palaging binibitin ng mga hapos? Ingat na kung ingat ang bawat kilos. Lahat ng binigkas mo bumatagos. Bakit ba kailangan pang maghintay? Sasayangin lang ang oras, baka sumablay. Kung pipiliin, ba't kailangan pang maghintay? Bakit palaging binibiting ng mga haplos? Ingat na kung ingat ang bawat kilos. Lahat ng binigkas mo tumatagos.
Always on, always mellow. Mellow947.com. Now streaming.
Tayo na sa Enloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Dito na sa Enloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
M. Luwilier, Tulay ng Pamilyang Pilipino. Spend your summer in Bataan, Baguio, or Baler. Made better with the soothing music of Mellow 947 BFM and the comfort of Genesis Joy Bus. Departing from Cubao, PITX, and Avenida.
Manood, makinig, at manalo sa OMG! Oh My Gas, tulong Abante! Pumutok lang sa mga programa ng Abante araw-araw at baka ikaw na ang masuwerteng kaabante na makaakuha ng 500 pesos pang gas. Hintayin ang queue ng Anchor para makapag-register. I-text ang OMG space ang inyong pangalan at isend ito sa 0917-192-8511. Bago matapos ng show, bubunot ang Anchor ng isang masuwerteng mananalo. Tatawagan ka namin on air at kailangan masagot mo ito on the spot. May itatanong ang Anchor at kapag nasagot mo ito ng tama, iyon na ang 500 pesos! Oh My Gas, tulong Abante! Ang promo na ito ay bukas sa lahat ng mga drivers. Isang pag-alalay mula sa Abante. Kasama mo!
Mellow time is 3:36.
This time check is brought to you by Plemex for Kids. Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi. Plemex!
This time check is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, Come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Your bill, sir.
What? 40,000 pesos for dinner?
1,400 only, sir.
Price check or eyes check for expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical.
Your bill, sir.
Order for more. Dessert?
EO, love your eyes.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Ubo ng anak? Nakababahala? Baka plema. Para dyan, Plemex for Kids ang pambato ko. Ang Plemex for Kids ay gawa sa lagundi. Tinutunaw at pinalalabas ang plema. Ginhawa para sa bata, peace of mind para kay mommy. Camille Prats Yambao po, nagfi-flex for Plemex. Pambatang lagundi, Plemex!
Vitex Segundo L is the generic name of Plemex for kids. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi, Plemex!
From Manila to wherever life takes you. Listen now. Mellow947.com.
Di na namalayan na unti-unti lang nahuhulog ang damdamin sa'yo. Di ko inakala na mababaliw ako ng ganito. At sa paglipas ng gabi, ikaw ay aking katabi. Walang hangarin na iba kundi ikaw. Ayaw naman sa'yong tabi, hindi inipapayag mo, di ka masilayan. Araw-araw gusto kitang kasama tayo sa iba. Ikaw lang po at ikaw lang talaga. Araw-araw tingin na ika'y bathala, pero kaway ko sana lang na dumating. At sa paglipas ng gabi, ikaw ay aking katabi. Walang nangarin na iba kundi ikaw. Ayaw naman sa'yong tabi, hindi inipapayag mo, di ka masilayan. Araw-araw gusto kitang kasama dito sa iba. Ikaw lang po at ikaw lang talaga. Araw-araw, araw-araw.
We got Jao right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM, and that song is called Ikaw Lang Po.
Yes.
And you sang that when you guested it on Beautiful Day, and you
Yes.
told us that it is inspired by the relationship of your parents, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about it. Kainggit.
First off, kainggit.
This is the kind of love that we all want.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, basically.
That we all strive to have in our lives in
Kasi,
one way or another.
Parang nakakainggit yung parang binibigyan nila yung isa't isa ng assurance every day. No matter, like kahit anong mangyari sa bahay, parang pinapaalala pa rin nila sa each other na parang, mahal kita no matter what. Kahit mag-away tayo, mahal kita. Okay, yun lang yun. Ikaw lang. Basta wala. Tayong dalawa lang, parang ganun. Which is parang, sabi ko, wow! When kaya? Parang ganun.
Sana all.
Sana all talaga. Ayun. Kaya naisip ko din yung ikaw lang po. Kasi parang, po is parang para sa parents ko, parang
Para sa parents mo eh. Yeah.
parang ang tawag doon, kaya nilagyan ko siya ng po para cute. First off, para cute. Tapos it's a song for my parents, parang respect. Yun. Parang cute lang.
Are they watching?
I
Or
don't think
listening?
so.
Ay,
I don't
bakit?
think so.
Tito, tita.
Mga busy yung mga
Mga
yun eh.
busy.
Mga busy yung mga yun eh. Pero nakausap ko naman po sila before pumunta
going
dito
here.
na
Okay,
may
okay.
ganap ako, ganyan-ganyan. So, yun naman po.
It's nice. You know what? It's really nice to see that kind of love in your own home, no? Kasi it's a nice reminder that that kind of love is actually possible on this earth in our lifetime.
Yeah.
Diba? And it's something na sana mahanap natin in
True.
our lifetime. Now, when you write songs, anong klaseng moments yung nag-i-inspire sa'yo more, Jao? Are those the big moments, big dramatic moments, big heartbreaks, or the random quiet moments?
I feel like yung random quiet moments and yung mga bagay na hindi natin napapansin talaga. Parang yung mga small things lang. For example, Baron, abutan mo nga ako ng something, tas inabutan niya ako ng tubig. Yun, masusulatan ko na yun agad.
Are you serious?
Yung simpleng ganun lang pag-abot niya.
Talaga?
Kinilig ako doon. Tas yun, makakabuo na ako ng storya sa utak ko. Parang
Teka, abutan nga natin siya, Dayan, ng something. Makagawan niya tayo ng anthem. So it's those quiet, random moments. Ano yung pinaka-random thing na nangyari sa'yo, na na-inspire ka? Like, it was super random. Like, just like that. Yung pag-abot sa'yo ng water bottle.
Ano ba? Siguro, actually, di ko siya nakanta ngayon. Isang song ko is yung, it's called Wag Ka Munang Umuwi.
Okay.
Kasi ayoko lang umuwi yung taong kasama ko. Parang ganun. Meron kasi, actually,
ang
random
sweet
siya.
Teka lang, ang sweet nun, nakakilig yun. In fairness.
Pero ang random nun kasi hindi dapat talaga kami magkikita.
Okay.
So parang nung sabi niya, I have to go kasi nandito na yung parents ko, ganyan.
Ano to? Friend lang to or romantic? Ayaw niya sabihin.
Let's say sabihin natin old flame na lang.
Old flame. Alam mo, yan din yung mga masarap isulat na mga bagay-bagay. Mga old flame di ba?
Masarap din balikan. Joke lang. What if we put fuel to the fire? Parang gano'n. Paliyabin uli yung flame. Charot. Hindi.
Alam mo, makakagawa ka ng kanta right after this interview. Feeling ko, dahil pinag-usapan natin yung old flame na yan. If someone listen to your songs, ano ang storya na madidiscover nila about you? Halo-halo na kasing emotions to di ba? And everything. But if they listen to all of your songs,
na
what kind of person is Jao?
Na isa akong madaldal na tao.
Madaldal na tao, okay.
Na oversharer.
Okay.
Parang to the point na, yun nga, sobrang random, sobrang liit na bagay na susulatan ko. Nakakwento ko siya sa kung gaano karaming listeners man sa mundo. Kasi it's out there, it's public. So parang, kung sino man makarinig yan, di ba? Kwento ko yun, personal life ko yun, which is pretty crazy. So, yun, siguro, sana, totoo nga yung sinasabi nila na madaldal tong tao na to. Which is yun din na may pinapakita ko actually sa mga supporters ko kapag gigs. Talagang, minsan nga sila Boss Shell, mga kasama ko pa staff po namin, sa team namin. Minsan, hinihila na nila ako, Miss Ann.
Hindi ka pa tapos
magkwento. Hindi pa ako tapos magkwento, makapagdaldalan sa supporters.
Gusto mo mag-extend tayo hanggang mga 6?
Pwede na. Pwede naman po. Mahaba-habang kwentuhan to.
Sige, magkakwentuhan lang tayo. But I think that is one thing that listeners or your fans love about you and your songs. Kasi parang you're so relatable. Even now, as we're talking, you just sound so casual. Everything sounds so smooth flowing and conversational. They can easily relate to your songs. Parang your songs are telling them na I'm just like you. Emotionally, we feel the same thing, diba? And they're actually using your songs as background music to their own posts, diba? Yung mga heartbreak moments nila, moving on. So how does it feel, seeing all these posts on TikTok, using your songs, na-viral yung songs mo kasi ginagamit na background music. How does it feel knowing that they are using your songs to define these emotional moments in their lives?
First off, gusto ko na pong pasalamat sa kanila. Since Sa radio tayo. And also live stream. Thank you sa 2 million posts on TikTok. Hindi ko ma-imagine na 2 million. Naabot siya ng 2 million. Which is, wow, yun. Yun po, hindi ko ma-fathom na yung kwento ko, yung song ko na naisulat ko lang sa 4 na corners ng kwarto ko sa bahay. Kayang makarelate ng maraming Pilipino. Di natin kung alam kung Pilipino, Indonesian, basta ng buong mundo dun sa song na yun. Actually, everything na nangyari po, Miss Anne, sa akin, ever since pumutok yung song na yun, wala. Di po ako makapaniwala. Ayun lang. Super thankful. Super thankful sa Lord, sa family ko, sa team ko, sa pag-alalay sa akin. Also, syempre, sa mga sumusuporta.
Right.
And also, big shoutout sa mga fandoms na gumagamit ng song ko. Actually, parang sila nga po yung bumubuhay. Kasi every time na parang itong fandom na to, buhay na buhay, tapos biglang lumubog yung siniship nilang mga artista. Meron na namang umuusbong. Pag lumubog na, meron na naman.
Okay.
So nasa third phase na tayo ngayon.
They're just making sure it's up there.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang yun nilalagay sa mga sa post, up. Lagi may up.
Parang
right?
ganun.
Yeah.
Thankful po talaga sa lahat.
Okay.
And number 2, di ko ma-fathom sa sobrang lawak ng na-reach niya.
Ibang klase rin, ano?
Ibang klase
The power of social media and also the power of really good music.
Thank you po.
Diba? When you put your heart and soul into what you write, nagre-reflect yon.
Fun fact. Actually, ayoko siyang lumabas.
Ayaw mo lumabas?
Ayoko lumabas yung song na yun, yung Torpe. Ayoko talaga siyang lumabas.
Bakit? Kasi torpe ka talaga in real life.
No. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan.
Oh, really?
Hindi ko siya nagustuhan.
Okay.
Sabi
Why
ko,
is that? Why?
Sabi ko, it doesn't sound good. It's cringe. Sabi ko, parang ang repetitive ng hook. Yun nga eh. Sabi ko, parang ganun ba talaga? Kasi may mga karamihang artist din na nakikilala ko po is yung mga biggest songs din nila, pinakaayaw nila. Kaya sabi ko, baka parang ganun din yung nangyari sa akin.
Maybe it's just like yung ayaw, minsan may mga taong ayaw nilang marinig yung sarili nilang voice. Maybe it's something like that. So
siguro.
Diba?
Pero yun, thankful na pero crazy. Crazy.
But are you really torpe in real life?
I am.
Parang medyo nga may shy type look ka on your face, di ba?
Depende po yun talaga kung parang mararamdaman ko po kasi sa tao na kaya kitang lapitan, pero madalas parang most of the time 90% ng mga events ay natotorpe talaga. Minsan yun din yung parang
Sige,
parang
kaya mo yan.
doon ako napapahamak sa pagka-torpe ko. Parang nami-miss ko yung opportunity.
Talaga.
So, torpe siya in terms of lahat ng bagay. Hindi lang sa romance.
Hindi lang romantic torpe,
Yeah.
but also in life in general na hindi ka basta-basta, you go out there. But probably, once the ice is broken, ayan na, lumalabas na yung kadaldalan mo. Di ba madaldal ka rin? Di ba? So we're putting two things together, torpe and madaldal. Paano kaya yung balance nun, ano? Baka pwede rin natin i-apply yung 70-30% that we were talking about kanina. Di ba? 70%, what? 70% torpe or 70% daldal?
Siguro, kapag na-break na yung barrier, nagbabaliktad na siya, nagiging 70% daldal na siya, tapos
and then
30%
torpe pa rin.
Then the other way around, pagka hindi pa nababasag yung barrier. Parang ganun.
Okay. You know what? Some people are asking questions on Facebook Live.
Okay.
We are also live on TikTok. We have, tatanggalin ko yung salamin ko. Yun may tita eyesight pag malapit. So we have Vince Salamero. Hi, Vince. Saying good afternoon, Miss Anne. Shout out to their Kapili family from Manugit, Tondo, Manila. God bless you too. And Vin is asking, who are your music influences, international and local artists?
Local artists po, in terms of songwriting po talaga, si Kuya TJ Monterde.
TJ.
Kasi storyteller po talaga. Parang kinakwentuhan niya lang ako pagka kumakanta siya. Sabi ko, wow! Kuya, TJ! Pag ganun
diba?
kaya.
Ibang klase yung dating. Also when he sings. Okay.
Ed Sheeran. international.
Manifesting Ed
Matic.
Sheeran!
Matic yan. Yun.
Pag dumalaw siya dito, talagang kailangan magkaroon kayo ng
Sana.
collab. Kausapin natin yung ano niya, yung label niya. Okay, ang daming question ni Vin sa'yo. Vin, halika na nga, sumama ka na nga dito. Maging co-host kita. But he's asking, where do you see yourself after 10 years?
After 10 years, siguro gumagawa pa rin ng music.
Dapat
Gumagawa pa rin
naman.
ng music.
Don't stop.
Tapos sana may pamilya na. Joke.
Inayawan mo na ka dito sa Facebook Live. Sabi mo, wag na, busy ka.
joke lang. Siguro sana, super established na sa music. Yung parang may iwan akong legacy sa mundo.
Right. And what kind of legacy do you want to leave behind?
Just
when
like,
people, 10, 20 years from now, when people listen to the songs that you've released now, what do you want them to remember you by?
he was great. Yan. Parang, I know that guy. Yung mga kabataan namin, nakikinig ako dyan. Mga ganun. Sobrang galing yan. Tapos hanggang ma-pass on na siya sa generations na.
Right.
Parang yung mga timeless music ngayon, na parang binabalik, nabubuhay sila dahil dun sa musika nila. And I want that to happen to myself.
And
also
timeless talaga ang music, no? Kasi even the songs from the 70s, minsan nagte-trending pa yan sa TikTok, 'di ba? Ginagamit din na background music and everything. You see the young ones still singing along to these old songs.
Parang mas nga siya ngayon, Miss Ann, parang mas trending ang old songs recently.
Mas
Dito
patok.
pumasok 2026, puro old songs yung pumapatok. Pero yun po yung gusto kong maiwan dito sa mundo na to. Parang yung legacy ng music.
Alam mo, 10 to 20 years from now, marami pa ring torpe sa mundo.
Yeah.
Kaya makaka-relate pa rin sila sa torpe. Gagamitin pa rin nilang background music yan. Okay, last question from Vin Salamero pa rin. What is your dream country travel destination and why pang Miss Universe?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Siguro pagsasamahin ko na yung tour, tour na parang sa show, concert tour.
Okay.
And also yung pagbabakasyon. Ang dami ko kasing gustong puntahan actually.
Mag-tour ka. You should go on a Philippine tour maybe. Start
Sana po,
here and then, diba? And then tour around the world with Ed Sheeran. Yun yung next target mo.
Yeah.
Binamanifest ko talaga yun para sa'yo, Jao, ha? Pag nangyari yun, bumalik ka dito at mag-guest ka with Ed Sheeran, ha?
UK pala.
UK.
Yeah, UK.
Okay. We're saying hi to Eureka Ilagan, who is really happy because you sang Maghintay. Bernie Mananzal, John Victor is there. R. Christian Roda saying good afternoon and hello. Thank you so much to everyone who's watching. Susuotin ko na ulit yung salamin. Ayan. Watching on Facebook Live. And before you go, Jao, we're running out of time. Oh my God, 4 o'clock na pala. Nashock ako doon. Ang daldal mo kasi.
Sorry.
4 o'clock na pala. But your last song, we're gonna be closing with Torpe. Of course, everybody singing that track. Tinanong na kita kung Torpe ka talaga in real life. And I guess your fans are gonna be so happy that we're closing the show with that track. But before you go, where are your next gigs? Where can they find you? Where can they download your songs?
You can, syempre, stream yung songs ko sa Spotify, Apple Music, and everywhere. It's out there. Tomorrow, nasa STI Las Piñas ako for CSI Music Fest. Then, 23, Saturday, nasa... Maloy Day sa Matrix Creations Events Venue. Dito lang yun sa QC. Then, after nun, same day, 23, Viva Cafe with 12th Street. So, see you there, guys. Yun.
And follow, of course, Jao on his socials if you want to find out more about where he's gonna be, what he's gonna be doing next.
Yeah, please do follow me at Jao Say Hello. And also, if you want tickets pala sa mga shows na yun, you can check it out on Spotify. Scroll down lang kayo sa events, then you can buy your own tickets there. So,
all right. Woo! Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Jao, ladies and gentlemen, right here on Mellow Live. Oh my goodness, we are going overtime, but then it doesn't matter because we are enjoying the show so much. Thank you guys for joining us. It is 3:59 on the clock. My name is Ann. Once again, Jao on Mellow Live, ladies and gentlemen.
yabang kapag ikaw ay wala. Lakas-lakas sa kwento, ang tigas ng hiya. Iba't ibang tao nakakasama, pero pag ikaw na, bumibilis tibok ng puso. Diyos ko, eto na nga. Oh, bakit ba pag lumapit na mawala ang angas ko? Bakit di ako makaamin kapag nandyan ka na? Palagi sumisilip na torpehan ko, ewan ko ba? Tumatikot na parang suso, oh Diyos ko, tama ka na. Kailan na ba mawawalang katorpehan ko, sinta? Oh, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe ako. Oh, ang dami sinasabi kapag ikaw ay wala. Lakas-lakas kiligin ng kapal ng hiya. Iba't ibang tao nakakasama, pero pag ikaw na, bumibilis tibok ng puso. Diyos ko, eto na nga. Oh, bakit ba pag lumapit na mawala ang angas ko? Bakit di ako makaamin kapag nandyan ka na? Palagi sumisilip na torpehan ko, ewan ko ba? Tumitikot na parang suso, oh Diyos ko, tama ka na. Kailan ka pa mawawalang katorpehan ko, sinta? Oh, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe ako. Oh, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe, tope-tope-torpe ako.
Front row seat. Mellow 947 BFM brings you Mellow Live, your mini concert on the radio.
Sayang naman ang pinagsamahan.
Kalimutan ng pangarap ko, kay makasama sa hapong panahon.
Di ko alam saan ka nang gagaling.
From today's most sought-after artists to rising new voices, live in the Mellow Studio.
Let's write our future, learn from the past.
So was it worth it?
Join us as we share conversations with your favorite musicians, hear their songs, and the stories in between. Mellow Live, hosted by Anne, Thursdays at 3 p.m. on Mellow 947 BFM.
This song is brought to you by Plemex Forte Syrup and Capsule. Maluwag ang panghinga, tunaw ang plema. Basta lagundi, Plemex. This song is brought to you by